Hello there, I'm Ryan Mark. This is Showbiz Remark Up Close, a special edition. I'm joined by Ayumi Lee. Hey Ayumi, say hi.
Hi viewers! Good evening po.
Yes, okay. Ayumi, that's her screen name. Ang ganda ng pangalan niya. Princess Hope.
Yes po.
Bakit ka pinangalan ng Princess Hope?
Actually po, para po siyang name naming lahat sa pamilya. May Hope po kaming lahat sa pamilya. Like, my mom po is Mary Hope, my kuya is Jopel Hope Christian. Tapos ako po is Princess Hope. So, bale parang pag-asa po kaming tatlo.
Okay, tapos binigyan siya ng screen name na
Yes.
Ayumi Lee.
Yes.
Yung Lee, it's because yung Lee talaga yung family name mo.
Hindi.
Princess Hope Lee.
Hindi po. Ano po siya? Apelido po siya ng dad ko. Pero since may problem with the papers po, hindi ko po siya nagamit sa paglaki ko. Yes po.
Because her dad is Korean.
Yes.
Pero you were born and raised in Manila already.
Yes po. Yes.
But have you been to Korea?
No po, pero I have been to Japan like 5 years of my life po. Ganun. Yes.
You live there with the family?
Yes po.
Nandun kayo because
My mom remarried. Yes.
to a Japanese.
Yes po.
Okay, kaya ka napunta dito
Yes
sa
po.
Universal Star Philippines.
Yes.
You've been modeling for Universal Star Philippines for how long?
Months lang po since bago na lang din po yung Universal. It's been like months pa lang ever since our launching po. So months. Pero I've been modeling for like 3 years po.
In Manila?
Yes po.
Oo. You started how young when modeling?
15, I think. Yes po, 15.
Okay. Ito Universal Star Philippines Ayumi, ano siya? Parang production?
Organization po ang Universal Star Philippines. We focus more on helping other people po. Yung mga events po namin, it's always for a cause. It's not for runway only or for flashing only. Kaya, ayun.
Because you're part of this
Yes po.
organization.
Yes po.
Bakit ang bait nyo? Bakit ganun yung parang vision nyo?
Kasi-
Helping people.
Well, I believe po na there isn't much mabait people right now. And I believe that our country needs this po. Our country needs more organizations like this. You know?
Ang galing nyo ha? Kanina in-announce after the fashion show, Universal Star Philippines fashion show, may nag-announce, mother mo yun? Yung nag-announce na nag-donate kami ng 500, ganyan, toothbrush.
Yes po, yes.
That's your mother?
Yes po.
Your mother is, what's her name?
Mary Hope po.
I see. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Sinabi mo na, no,
Yes
Mary
po.
Hope, may mga Hope talaga lahat ng names niyo.
Yes.
She's married to a Japanese now. Kasi para kaya understand, ang daming Japanese dito sa
Yes
organization.
po.
Oo, ang galing. No, very good. So, supportahan natin the Universal Star Philippines.
Yes.
Supportahan din natin sa Ayumi because plano mo is to join pageant.
Yes po.
Why?
Kasi I think po na maging women with paninindigan, not only beautiful, being a beautiful woman is very, very strong. And also, parang super nice na maging inspiration ka ng mga bata or mga ibang people pa. Like, as for me, inspiration ko yung mga beauty queen kasi hindi lang sila maganda. May pinapaniwalaan sila and pinapakalat nila yung pinapaniwalaan nila. Which for me, parang wow, gusto ko rin maging ganyan.
So, that would be your advocacy also?
Yes.
Helping people?
Yes po. Pero not only that,
Yes.
I've always stand for bullying po, anti-bullying kasi ever
The
since,
experience mo.
yes po.
Tell us about the experience.
When I was young, like grade 1, super tangkad ko po kasi like mga 5 flat na po ako ng grade 1. Tinatawag po akong tangkad sagad or ang laki mong tao, like words like that. Even if super simple niyang words, to a batang mind, like super siya sa utak ko, na hanggang ngayon, iniisip ko pa rin siya when I walk into the room and I see that I'm the tallest one, parang na-anxious ako na bakit ako yung matangkad tapos babae pa ako. I mean, there's nothing wrong naman. Pero since I was bullied because of that, parang na-anxious ako. And I don't want anyone to experience that kind of pain na kapag papasok ka sa room, iniisip mo agad what you look like. It's not good po sa
Ang
mental
galing
health.
mo. It turned out, nung binubully ka because you're matangkad when you were 7 years old.
Yes
Now
po.
you stand 5'7" at 18 years
Yes
old.
po.
Height is mine. Ang swerte mo.
Thank you po.
Ang swerte mo kasi at least 5'7", that's
Yes.
the parang standard na height
Yes
ng
po.
mga models at saka beauty queen.
Yes.
So, speaking of beauty queen, sinong ina-idolize mo na beauty queen?
Si Chelsea Fernandez po right now.
Miss Cosmo Philippines.
Yes po. Yung performance niya po sa Miss Universe Philippines, really, really nakaka-amaze. Like, yung red lipstick, yung walk niya, yung charm niya, and yung charisma niya po. Yun po yung pinaka na-amaze ako sa kanya. And also, about the corruption, about the flood control, nag-speak up po siya dun. Ginamit niya yung platform niya. And, ayun po, nakaka-proud kasi siya nga po yung pinaka-idol ko sa mga beauty queen. And, pinatunayan niya po kung bakit.
Let's say you have a friend,
Yes po.
na close friend, who turned out to be a Nepo baby. What would you do?
Oh, I actually have a friend na Nepo
Really?
baby, pero he's not sangkot to any of
Uh-uh.
that. I always tell him, if ever, I won't tolerate you ever. Like, we will FO. Friendship over. Kasi, hindi po kaya ng konsensya ko yun. And I know hindi kaya ng konsensya niya. Pero he can't do anything about it kasi anak siya. So, ang magagawa ko lang po, friendship over.
You friendship over.
No, kasi hindi naman po sila
Hindi naman
sangkot.
sila involved sa
Yeah,
corruption
and
ng Nepo baby.
he's really nice.
Mm.
Kaya wala naman po nangyayari. Okay lang
Ang
po.
galing mo. You're 18 years old pero ang mature na ng thinking mo.
Thank you po.
Oo. You're still in school.
Yes po.
Anong year?
Grade 12 graduating.
Saan?
Sa school po.
Oo.
Truston International College.
So you'll be college soon. You'll be in
Yes.
college soon. Will you take up?
Mass communication.
Wow! Go,
Yes.
go! Ako mass-com. Si Sandan over there is also mass-com. Bakit gusto mo mag-mass-com?
Kasi gusto ko po ma-improve pa yung communication skills ko. I don't want to, stutter. And I don't want to use any unnecessary words like, or like, or kaya.
Feelers.
Yeah.
The feelers. Yes.
I just want to improve for my vocabulary and my... Look,
What
diba?
are your hobbies?
Right now, I play po futsal sa school po namin. I mean, hindi naman po varsity or anything. I'm just training po. Also, editing po. Mahilig po ako mag-edit ng mga
Video?
publicity materials
Oh,
po.
you're right.
Yes. Also, dati po, I used to join journalism
Campus.
as
Press conference.
graphic layout editor.
Mm.
Yun na po yung hobbies ko as of
Okay.
now.
And your talents?
My talent.
You sing?
Yes po. I think naman po pag Filipino, may konting...
So you can sing.
Pero I
Sample.
can't.
Sample lang.
No!
We're not expecting naman na magaling talaga. Just a
It's
sample.
been a long time po kasi...
Can you sing a Korean song? Or Japanese song?
No.
Your dad is Korean, no? Can you sing a
Yes.
Korean song?
I don't memorize any Korean
Okay,
song.
so what's the song on your mind right now? Few lines lang. Sige, go.
Po. No, kasi may story po kung bakit hindi
Okay,
na po ako
why?
kumakanta. I'm sorry, guys.
Yes.
I'm just gonna kwento na lang.
Oo.
So, when I was grade 1 to 3, sumasali po ako ng mga singing contest. Dito pa po yan sa Cebu.
Really?
Yes po, sa Golden Gate Children's House.
Really?
Yeah, yes. Sumasali po ako ng mga singing
You live
contest.
here?
Yes po. Grade 1 to 3.
So dito ka binubuli.
Yes po.
Tapos when you were in grade 1.
Yes
Okay.
po. So, ayun po. And napiyok po ako nun nung last round. Napiyok po ako nun.
Nagka-trauma.
Yeah, and they all laughed.
Takot ka na.
Kaya, nadagdagan pa yung ko. So, hindi na ako kumanta ever since.
Paano yan? Sa beauty pageant, may talent competition. What would be your talent then?
Dancing na lang
You
po.
dance.
Yes.
Okay. Speaking of beauty pageant, what are we expecting soon? You're
Soon.
joining a pageant? Which pageant?
I really want to join Miss Earth po kasi syempre lahat naman po tayo may gustong ipaglaban about our Earth. And yung reigning queen po ngayon,
Joy.
Yes po.
Marcoma.
I watched her performance live and naging inspiration ko na rin po siya. I want to be like her.
And she's opinionated.
Yes! She also spoke up about
Siya
the
yung
flood
nauna.
control.
Kay
Yes.
Chelsea.
Na
Mas
mag-speak
nauna pa
up.
siya kay Chelsea.
Yes
nang
po.
nag-speak up about Flood,
Yes po. Kaya
those
po,
projects.
nakaka-amaze lang po
Na-inspire
sila.
ka.
Yes po.
Oo.
I want to be that brave. I want to be like, papanindigan ko talaga yung, meron akong title.
Very good. Okay, so anong abangan nila sa'yo aside from you'll be joining Miss Earth soon, hopefully?
Yes.
Aside from that, ano pang abangan nila sa'yo?
Of course po, more projects with Universal Star Philippines. And I think, may na-mention po sa akin na pwede po akong hindi naman po star, magawa lang po ng mga short films. I'm really excited for it kasi,
Artista ka na
yeah,
rin.
mag-acting po.
Ano gusto mo? Kontrabida or bida?
Weirdly po, gusto ko maging kontrabida.
Sige, let's create
Ala.
a scene before we go.
No!
Ikaw, you create a scene. Ang gusto mo? Sige, balikan natin yung mga nambully sa'yo when you were grade 1. Because dito yun sa Cebu. So nakita mo sila accidentally. Paglabas natin dito sa hotel, nakita mo yung nambully sa'yo.
Yes po.
Nakilala mo. What would you tell them? Create the scene.
No, because realistically, iiwasan ko na po sila.
Really?
I want to be a kontrabida kasi I watched the Kontrabida Academy in Netflix. Yes.
Pinapanood mo rin.
Yes. Pero in real life, I can.
May seductive though.
Yeah, may seductive.
So sinong idol mo na kontrabida?
I forgot the name. Yung copycat.
Si Cherry Hill.
Yes.
Oo.
Rest in
Wala na
peace.
siya.
I really like her. Kasi sa aura niya pa lang, when you see her sa mga movies or teleseries, makikita mo, siya din naman yung kontrabida. Magiging maganda na naman yung teleserye. So, kapag ako naging ganun, I want to be like that. Na kapag nakita ko ng tao, maganda na naman yung teleserye kasi siya na naman yung bida. So,
Ayumi, you're such an interesting lady. You ask them to follow you on your socials.
Okay po. My Instagram is ahoforall_. My Facebook is Ayumi Lee. And our Facebook for Universal Star Philippines is Universal Star Philippines. And pwede po kayo mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube, Universal Star PH.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you po.
Great talking to you. I'm Ryan Mark, and that was Showbiz Remark Up Close. Bye.
Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Good luck.